Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty tricky chart to talk about right now because, it's a situation where, yeah, the price has shown some strength. Yeah, the price has been able to work its way upwards, but now the price has worked its way back downwards. But it's not like the price totally crashed and totally went back to where it was, but it was also a pretty big pullback from these areas. And then you throw in that additional context of, and all of this is occurring within an overall downtrend being represented by that, downsloping purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which I know I've talked about in past videos. And yeah, things just, like I said, you can't sit here and say that everything's destroyed because that'd be a little bit too dramatic, but things are certainly looking relatively shaky for the reasons discussed. But really the quickest way to kind of illustrate whether or not this was just some sort of, dead cat bounce is let's see if the price can at least stay above $23. Because think about what that's accomplishing if that can occur. If the price stays above 23, then what is that giving you? Well, that would still be giving you a set of lows right here. And you compare that to the previous set of lows right there. And as small as it may be, it is still progress in the upwards direction, because if you picture those as stair steps, you would have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. So again, 23, very important. Whereas on the flip side, if the price actually goes down below 23, think about that, what that would be telling you. From a logistics standpoint, that would be telling you that the price is now all of a sudden right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So 23, like I said, a very important level and a very revealing level in the sense of whether or not there's any sort of genuine power behind this nice upwards movement here. If the price does try to work its way back upwards, then already talked about, but keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 24.87. That'll be that first key battleground from the resistance side of things. But yeah, a little bit of a shaky looking chart, but maybe this is the start of a bigger turnaround. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.